Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm super excited to share with you my latest haul from Smytten. I bought a bunch of amazing trial products for just rupees 241 and I can't wait to show you what I got. Let's get started. First off we have Vargat's Khadi Ayurvedic Black Mehendi. This is a 20-gram pack and cost just one trial point. It's perfect for those who want a natural and Ayurvedic option for coloring their hair. I have used it a couple of times and it gives a rich, dark color while nourishing the hair. Next, I have the Swiss Beauty Bold Matte Lip Liner in the shade Perfect Maroon 15. This was for 2 trial points and you get 1.8 grams of product. The color is absolutely stunning, perfect for a bold lip look. It glides out smoothly and stays put for hours. Now, this is one of my favorite picks, the Smytten Metal Phone Stand. This sturdy stand costs 5 trial points and is perfect for keeping your phone at the perfect angle while you work or watch videos. It is sleek, durable and really handy. I also picked up the Smytten Activated Charcoal Bamboo Toothbrush for kids for 2 trial points. This eco-friendly toothbrush is great for kids with soft bristles and a natural bamboo handle. Plus, it's infused with activated charcoal for extra cleaning power. For those looking for a painless hair removal option, I got the Bombay Shea Butter Hair Removal Cream. This 15-gram pack was just one trial point. It's gentle on the skin thanks to the shea butter and effectively remove hair without any irritation. Moving on to some nail products, I got the Color Soul Rise Nail Enamel in the shade Deep Azure R19. This beautiful blue nail polish is 5 ml and costs 1 trial point. This color is vibrant and gives a smooth finish with just one coat. Another nail product I got is the Miss Nails Mini Nail Paint in shade 29A. This cute little 6 ml bottle costs 1 trial point. The color is a lovely pink, perfect for everyday wear and it dries pretty quickly too. Lastly, I picked the Color Soul Rise Nail Enamel in Embosomed R21. This is another 5 ml bottle for 1 trial point. It's a beautiful, sophisticated shade that goes well with any outfit. So these are all the amazing products I got from Smytten for just rupees 241. I love how you can try out different products without committing to the full size versions. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Comment below if you have tried any of these products or if you have any recommendations. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.